Hi, and welcome to this month's blog. I'm standing in our home that was flooded by Hurricane Helene last fall, and we're in the process of rebuilding it. It started over 6 months ago, and we're still, as you can see, pretty much under construction. But the rebuilding process takes a lot of detail, and a lot of time, and a lot of thought. And I was thinking it's not too much different than rebuilding a brand. You know, a lot of times a brand starts losing market share, revenues go down, awarenesses might not be the same. And so a company will decide that it's time to rebuild the brand. And so it takes the same kind of steps that we used when we built the original brand to rebuild it. You can't just go in there and create a new ad campaign, change a logo and say, okay, now we've changed everything in the customer's eye. It's the same thing here. You have to go step by step, plan it, and go through those same steps of research, details, look at what the marketplace is today, look what the conditions are around you, and then make the right decisions. And then you have to stick to it. So in this month's blog, I'm going to see how you have to take similar steps in rebuilding a brand for a product or service, and why it takes some time, and when it's time to sometimes walk away from that brand. But usually we can rebuild it and it become even stronger going forward. So hope you're having a good summer and putting up with this heat wave that is around the country. But we hope you have a good fall, and we'll look forward to seeing you next month. Thanks a lot.